Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is cookies in Selenium. Cookies are small pieces of data stored by the browser to maintain session and state. In real web applications, cookies are used for maintaining login sessions, storing user preferences, identifying authenticated users. Selenium allows us to work with cookies in four main ways. First, read cookies. We can read all cookies or specific cookie to validate session behavior. Second, add cookies. We can manually add cookie to the browser. This is useful when we want to simulate a logged in session or set application state without UI actions. Third, update cookies. Selenium does not provide a direct update method. To update a cookie, we need to delete the existing cookie and add a new one with updated values. Fourth, delete cookies. We can delete individual cookies or all cookies to reset the browser session. Cookies are always tied to the current domain and browser session. Let me run the sample script, then we will see how cookies are handled. Selenium opens the Cogmento application, reads whatever cookies are present in that particular application, and then adds a new cookie, updates the cookie, and then deletes all the cookies on that particular page. And finally, clears all cookies. If you press enter, application will be closed. If you can see the console output, first initially only one cookie was there, and then a cookie was added, and the cookie got updated, and the updated cookie value is updated value. All cookies got deleted at the last. So if I press enter, application will be closed. So this explains how cookies are managed in Selenium automation. Thank you.